Alright, so what we have here is a basic fade. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a haircut. Now that I created those guidelines, now it's time to go ahead and fade in between them. And the first one that I use is the number one Speedo guide, which is the 2 zeros. I go ahead and open that up using my masters. So as you can see, I'm using the 1 and I'm fading all the way up to the 2.5. My fading consists of a lot of flicking, so when a client's all over the place and he's moving a lot, it's going to really take effect on my haircut. So that's why I always tell them not to be moving around. Also stay away from the phone. Using my Babyliss clipper, I'm going to put the half guard on it so I can go ahead and fade out the rest. The reason why I like using this so much is because it eats really quickly, and if you know about these clippers, you know there's a fact. you can see, the haircuts is starting to come along. The good thing about this strategy, it doesn't matter how you feel in the day, the consistency is very high. Now that it's faded all the way up to number 2, we have that heavyweight line that we're going to get rid of using my thinning shears. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take a little bit of the excess bulk that we have, and leaving a little bit of bulk in there is going to create that drop fade that we're looking for.
Purchase your tracks today.
When I started to line them up, I noticed there was a little bit of weight towards the front, so I went ahead and I touched it up again. And to be honest with you, it happens sometimes. Always use a mirror as kind of like our third eye.
Purchase your tracks today.
So there you have it. You guys got to see a Jesse Elite fade. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned something to fit your own style of cutting hair. Just keep in mind, not everybody has the same techniques nor the same equipment, so in order to create this fade, you need to have the same tools that I was using in this video. And also, all my clippers are zero gapped.